$100 Shopee fees calculator has been updated to version 1.8. Shopee released a new program called Rebate Now recently, so I added the fees for the programs. If you have joined the program, toggle the programs you participated in on the Settings and Data page. I added the report settings and order ID list section in the Settings and Data page, so the generic settings of each report are much easier to access and to manipulate. For example, if you paste in the report without match destination formatting or paste values only, the date values will be copied in text format. So when this value is false, the formulas below will know how to get the date from the report. This is to eliminate the confusion of the users when copying reports. Speaking of date value, there is also an added column of date value in the helper column of sales report module to minimize the possible date problems. The new gross profit module is very self-explanatory. It will calculate the gross profit if you provide it with reports. Report with an S. It extracts all the order data from the order reports and lists out all related SKU numbers. In the helper columns, the cost column has a white header. By default, the calculation of gross profit of any SKU with no cost is skipped, which means users must input the cost of each SKU and the template will calculate the gross profit automatically. Due to the nature of selling on e-commerce platform like Shopee, sometimes shipping fee plays a big role in our income. To let the template get the shipping fee of each order, we need to provide it with income report. After providing the income report, the template will get the accurate shipping fee from the shipping fee module. This includes any overcharge, undercharge, and seller bears shipping fee. When both reports and the costing of each SKU is provided, you can see your gross profit on top. It's that easy. There are some other settings of this module which I will cover in the detailed tutorial videos. I would like to give you some update of this channel and the progress of my ongoing project of $100 Ecommerce Manager. First of all, I am sorry for not updating this channel for my template for more than 150 days. Because I got lazy, seeing that Shopee sellers are facing tons and tons of unnecessary problems created by Shopee, such as the new return and refund policy, unprecedented overcharged shipping fees issues, sudden product deletions and more. I am not any e-commerce guru or Shopee expert. It demotivates me to work on the templates for Shopee when seeing the actions taken by Shopee to rectify these issues are not significant enough. So for any of you that are still subscribing and tipping me for the last few months, I can't express my thanks enough. Thank you. During March, I quietly uploaded the $100 Ecommerce Manager version 2.0, the 21st March pre-alpha build version, onto my Coffee page. And in early May, I updated with Fall of May build and made it only available for Coffee monthly supporters. I am still in the progress of finding my style to deal with forms, interfaces and databases. So a lot of things will be changed between these updates. My documentation is so bad that I can't list out all the updates for each version. Today I will be releasing another version of 29th of June build. This is quite a huge update where I added a bunch of databases, one of which is to make managing multiple shops much easier. That allows you to manage more than one Shopee shops or offline stores. Currently, I am only confident to say that it works with Shopee's data and reports because I spend more time learning about Shopee's rather than Lazada. So I'm not sure right now whether the formulas for calculating the income for Lazada are still valid. In the May release of pre-alpha, I added the customers module, but the all orders module was still in the beginning. This update has a completed all orders module. This order module has a cool feature called dynamic filtering. Basically, you can input your criteria in these fields of the form above. The list below will filter all orders based on the criteria you want. This dynamic filtering is all done by formulas only. No VBA coding is involved. For example, I want to search for orders that are shipped to Sarawak, purchase time within 1st of March and 30th of April, or look for orders using a specific courier company, or orders by a specific customer. If you would like to get one copy, head over to my Ko-fi page for a discounted price. To get it for free, there is a link in the video description leading to a Google form. Follow the instruction to get a free copy. This e-commerce manager application is a humongous project for a hobbyist developer like myself on a YouTube channel. If I dedicated the content of this channel to this application, that would be boring, which is why I started the $100 Shopee fees calculator project last year. A smaller chunk and modular content which is more suitable for YouTube tutorial videos. To diversify the contents in the coming videos, I will be taking some features from the e-commerce manager and turning them into tutorial videos, such as how to make the dynamic filtering function. By doing this, I hope I can share more of my knowledge and skills in spreadsheet making, at least make use of these skills I learned for so many years, benefiting the community. That is all for today's video. The updated version of tutorial videos for Shopee fees calculator are coming soon. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to learn about my dynamic filtering methods with only formulas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!